Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. Today I've got Color Spectrum, Stuck in TV Land, Maniology M408, Straight Up Black, Charmed, Orange Burst, Food Fight, and Bam White. And Nailtiques Formula 2 is my base coat for today. So let's get into it. This is Color Spectrum Polish, Stuck in TV Land. It's really a unique polish with those red glitters in there. It's just so nice. And I like that they're small. Very, very, very nice. Now, it's got a really skinny brush on it, but that's okay. We're going to make it work. So here we go with our first coat. Going to cap our free edge here. There we have it. Going to go in with a second coat. And I believe we're going to be good. Now this has got a really intense shimmer in the background. You might be able to catch it here and there throughout this video. We'll see. But in real life, I would so see it. I could see it. We're going to top this with I&M out the door and get it to dry down. We got some serious playing to do today, as I typically try to always do. I want to be playing. Cap my free edge again. Alright, so here's a swatch photo of it on its own. And today I'll be using Maniology M408. And we're going to get this blue film off of it real quick. Get it wiped down with some acetone. And a lint-free wipe. Ta-da-ta-da. To dip to dap. I'll be using Maniology's Straight Up Black. And I've got out my Maniology scraper card and a whole bunch of stampers, because I'm going to do some, I call it reverse stamping or advanced stamping. Either one. I think I prefer advanced stamping because it's stamping, and by advancing it, you're filling in the designs with colors. To me, it just makes more sense. But you can call it whatever you want to. So we got the Ferris wheel there with the spider web in it. Here we go with the spooky circus tent. And I really love this Maniology plate. I think it's really cute that it's got the Halloween vibe, but they took it to the circus level. I think that that's cute. I love it. Some people might not love it. I love it. So we're just pulling some of the images up in black. And we're going to fill those in with different colors. We'll get to that here in just a little bit. Going to get some of this excess off of my stamper with a piece of tape. And this is like a jack-o'-lantern dressed up like a clown, juggling skulls. Adorable. And then, and I did the elephant right? Or is that what I'm doing now? I don't know. I have trouble keeping up, you guys. No, these are the like jack-o'-lanterns stacked on top of each other. Very cute. A lot of cute stuff going on here. But I guess you got to be able to see it. Okay, now I think I'm doing the elephant, because there is an elephant in the room. And it's a Halloween elephant. Alright, yeah, there it is. Elephant walking on the ball. Which is just crazy talk, but whatever. When you're in fantasy land, you can do whatever you want. Trying to get some of these little pieces that are close to the image. I'm going to clean my plate off real quick with some acetone. Flip that cotton ball over so I can get to the clean side. What a mess. I'm telling you, black stamp and polish is some messy business. But it pops. And that's why we keep on using it. I mean me. That's why I keep on using it. It's a really good outline. Alright, we'll be using Maniology. And this one is Charmed. There we go. And we have this orange burst, as well as Maniology Food Fight. And I'm going to add Bam White here in a little bit. I will admit there's some footage somewhere here that I lost. When I came back, my files had a big exclamation point on it. So I don't know what part we're missing, but I looked through most of it, and it looks like we're pretty good for the most part. So if it jumps to something, just don't freak out. It's okay. It's just me messing up. Craziness. So I'm trying to use the same colors on all the stamps in different areas of the images. And, you know, I don't know that I mastered it, but we're still filling them in. And these are some tiny images. So in some of them I just go crazy. Like this one. This one is one particularly. Instead of just doing the dots around the edge and stopping at that, I go just wonky. It ends up getting all the way filled in. And this little hat, it's just so tiny. Such tiny stuff to try to get to. But I really enjoyed it. I loved it. I loved getting to play with this very unique Halloween stamping plate. I believe this one came out of the box of magic. I'm not sure, because I had a Mani by Me box, I had the box of magic, and then I had bought some stuff, so I don't know what came from where. This stuff just came flying through the door. And I didn't need any of it, but I couldn't resist. That's why I think this is out of the box of magic, because it's one of those irresistible looking plates. That, and it's an M number and not an MXM. So, alright, we're going to have a green elephant, because we can. You guys know I'm just special. I do my own thing. And this skull's going to be green, I think. Maybe not. Maybe it'll be white. But we're just drawing these colors in. And like I said, I probably should have used a detail brush or an even tinier dotting tool. I thought I was doing good, but whew, so much tininess. Okay, now this is the green skull. See, I knew that I had one. He's holding a skull in one of his hands, and I did it green. I'm like, okay, well, it's just going to be green. And that's the thing about this nail art that I like, is it's fantasy land, it's goofy, it can be if you want it to, and it really doesn't matter. Just do the best you can and enjoy it and have fun with it. Yeah, I went in with that one with the orange. I don't remember seeing that. But anyhow, alright, so once they're completely dry, I'm going in with some sticky base from Maniology and get those nails just a little tacky. And I do 2 nails at a time because I don't want it drying all the way out. I just feel like it works better for me this way. I did blow on these a little bit to kind of get them to, dry down and just start being tacky. Because I just wanted to get to the tacky stage and to apply my little decals here. Now, as you can see, these decals that are facing up now, that side's never been coated with anything. No smudge free, no glossy top coat, no wet and wild, no nothing. So I will be topping these with the smudge free top coat from Maniology here very shortly, as soon as I get them all on the nails. But they're all sticking down really nice. They're sticking to the nail really nice, and I appreciate that. There we have it. Now I'm going to go in with the smudge free top coat, pretty much just over the decals. You don't have to paint the whole nail. Just trying to make sure. Now this one's almost the whole nail because the decal covers everything, but just the decals, because that's what I don't want to smear. Once that's completely dry, I'm going in with I&Ms out the door. I'm going to give these a final top coat here and cap my free edge. There we have it. Yes, indeed. Hi, Woody. How you doing? All right. Here is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. And as always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.